Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2019 Nissan Murano Platinum. This comes in a red exterior with a graphite leather interior. Sunroof. It says a V6 engine and all-wheel drive. Power opening and closing trunk. Rear climate controls, rear seats. Does have heated mirrors. Memory seats. This vehicle has 20,758 for miles. And push button ignition. Shifter. Steering wheel controls. Navigation system, radio, and backup camera. And if you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.